Hi everybody, welcome back, and we're going to be doing a haul in separate videos, and I'm just going to accumulate them all together. So let's get started. So I flipped the box over so you guys, so I could cover my address. Okay, you can already see what I have in here. So let me move the box out of the way. So the first thing I got is the Inklings 2 coloring book. I've been eyeing this coloring book for the longest. I just never took the plunge with it until now, because I started seeing more pictures about it and nice images that people color. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. So I got this book, so I can't wait to color. The next thing I got is the Lyra color pencils, the poly color pencils, the 72 sets. So I'm gonna unbox this with you guys. I've been so excited about getting this product. I wanted to try something new that was still oil based, but I heard that it's softer than the polychromos. So I'm trying to open this. Okay, there we go. So that's why I wanted to give it a try, because sometimes my hands hurt with the polychromos, sometimes, not all the time, especially since I layer a lot. So here, this is how it looks. It's pretty matte cover. It's the Rembrandt brand or line, I think. I think they have pastels as well, Rembrandt, I think so. And then they have all the colors right here in the back, and I'm not really gonna go into a lot of depth information about it, because this is more like, ooh, let me open it. Okay, come on. Okay, the little sleeve is hard to come off. But I already know I'm not gonna keep them in this case. I wanna put them in like a little pencil case for it. So here's the big moment. Ooh. Look how pretty they look. Ooh. Let's look at, let's see. So they come out with this little handles, very flimsy. I'm trying to see all the colors closer. None of the first layer came broken. And I see that they included an actual Lyra Splendor. That's what it's called, but it's a blender, obviously. So I can't wait to try this, because I have only tried the Caran d'Ache and the Prismacolor blender. So now I have another different brand to see which one actually blends better in all these colors. I really like that it has a lot of light colors, like the neutrals right here, the purples right here. I really like the color selections. I can't wait to swatch them. So that's it with that one. Okay, the next thing is the pencil case. This one is made in China. It holds 72. Like I said, I got this for the purpose for my Lyra's color pencils. They look nice. It's much smaller than the other ones that I have, or the other one that I have. Let me compare it real quick. So this is one of the pencil case, and there's this one, which is way smaller. I think this is more compact, and I really like this size more than this one. So I think I'm gonna buy more of this 72 case. The zippers seem to work well. It looks like it's kind of, obviously cheaply made, because I can see the glue on this side. But it's all right. It's gonna do what it's supposed to do, hold my pencils. I wasn't sure to include it, but I got it a couple of days ago and I've been using it, but I still wanted to include it in the haul. It's the actual Derwent Super Point Mini Sharpener. I like it, but it eats your pencils, so I don't know if I'm going to be using it with, you know, my higher end colored pencils. I'll probably end up just using it for my affordable colored pencils because it does eat your pencil away. Okay. So the next thing is this one right here. So let me put this out of there. This So I got the Chameleon color tones. Sorry for the light. So I can't wait to use them and do a first impression, swatching and everything. So I'm pretty excited about these ones right here to see how it looks inside. So I'm gonna open it up like that. Come on. It came nicely wrapped. I bought this in eBay. I wasn't able to get it shipped from Amazon to my address, but I found it cheaper on eBay. So here is how this one looks. It has a pretty matte cover with like a kind of like a 3D emboss of the actual brand's name. And then it has two magnets here. How pretty. So here is how the color pencils look like. So they look pretty nice. I like how this thing is. It's kind of flimsy, but I think once you fold it enough, it will start folding better. So can't wait to do a swatch. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead with the Irojitins. So I decided to get this one because I felt like I was gonna use this one more than the other two sets, because it focused more on green tones, brown tones that I will use for landscape, even for skin. So I'll probably be doing a swatch video of this and slash first impressions on this type of color pencils. So here, oh, here's a paper, little pamphlet. Ooh, I really like all these pastel color. It kind of reminds me of the Holbeins. Has the little elastic. The second one, which is this one's the deep tones. Yes, I really like this colors right here. And then the third one, which is the grayish tone. This is calling my name. I really like these colors. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these to the side. And another little thing I did get, I felt like it was missing on that set, was an actual brown. This one is chestnut brown. So can't wait to try that one out. Okay, so the next thing would be, the next thing would be, what is this? Another pencil case. This one is a purple one, a nice size. Goes to the side. I really like this color. Let me compare it to the other one. So here's the other one. and it's much smaller than the other one that I showed you guys in the beginning. So I think I might be ordering this one again in a different color. So the next thing I got was this. Obviously the packaging came very busted and they had to retape this in the post office. So yes, so this unclip this side. Can you guys see that? Okay. Let me do this side now. Okay. So the first thing I see right here is this coloring book. Is The Mermaid in Paradise, an artist coloring book, SM Doodle Coloring Presents by Denise. I cannot pronounce her last name, so I'm not even gonna try. From what I see, there's a couple of cute images, which are so cute. I'll probably be doing a flip through of this in another video. So yeah. So the next thing that's in this box, let me put that box away. Let's see. Oh, it's the Pro Colors. Okay, so here it is. So pretty. The lid is very flimsy. It does not close completely. So where's my little knife? So it has the little plastic thing on top of it. So I'm gonna remove that. So pretty. I'll bring you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see them too. Look how pretty they look. Ooh, this one's kind of damaged. The wood casing barrel. Can't wait to play with them. Here is the second layer. So I'm gonna show you guys a closer look. Okay, so I'm gonna put that to the side. And then the last thing that I got was another coloring book. This one right here. I think such a cute little postcard coloring book. If you guys, I'll probably do another flip through separately of this book in another video. But yeah, that was my complete haul, my collective haul there yet. And I hope you guys really did enjoy this collective haul video. Until next time, bye.